Okay. To start my demo is, syempre, I will first check my database. So, check ko muna my database. Oops. Gagamitin ko show databases. Ano yung pinakamarami dito? Microsoft siguro. So, use Microsoft. Ay, sabi ko nga eh, hindi nyo nakikita eh. Hindi kayo nagsasalita. There. Okay. So, try to use the Microsoft. So, show tables. There. So, I have there 3 tables. Gamitin ko na lang ulit yung favorite ko. Select asterisk from emp, which has an emp no, an e-name, and an address. So, for you, you have your databases there. Okay, your databases actually has many records na, di ba? So, pwede kayong gumamit doon. Okay, for demo purposes lang to. So, I have here three fields lang or rows. Okay, in which I'm going to use yung crystal report to view a certain record. For example, I chose employee number 1. It will display the employee name and the address of that employee. So, specific lang siya. So, so I have here the database already. Next, I'm going to check, syempre, yung DSN ko. Okay, so, for my DSN, dati, so systems, administrative tools, and I have here ODBC, sa iba siya pupunta, DSN, 1 to 3 yung ginagamit natin, di ba? So, it's Microsoft already, LA1 to 3, root, password, and then Microsoft. So, okay na siya. Chinek ko lang if it's connected to the database. Okay, the Microsoft. So, okay na siya. Next, after that one, let's proceed with your Visual Studio. Okay. For the Visual Studio, makulit siya. Nasa kabilang screen. Yan siya. So, create. Sabihin nyo lang kung kailangan kong bagalan or bilisan. There. So, next. And then, lagyan ka lang siya ng project name kasi marami na. So, this one is more crystal. Okay? For you, you can have, syempre yung previous projects nyo. 'Di ba? So, create lang ako. Okay. Dahil I'm going to use lang one table, so hindi ko kailangan mag-inner join muna. Siguro on the next na lang na demo natin. We're going to use yung mga yun. Oops. Okay. So first, I'm going to create my crystal report. Okay. For sure, alam nyo na mag-create dati ng crystal report. So project, add form, and then look for crystal report. You can change the name of the crystal report. Let's say for example, kasi 'di ba gagamit ako nung specific. So lagyan natin for example, employee record. Oh, record. Ganun. Okay, tandaan nyo. Okay, please eto, tandaan niyo yung nilagay natin na name of the crystal report because we're going to use that later. Okay? So, add. Kahit pala hindi nyo tandaan, you will see it here. Oops, sa Solution Explorer natin. Sorry. Okay. Makikita nyo dito sa Solution Explorer. So, try natin. ODBC RDO. RDSN is LA1 to 3. So, no need pala. Finish. And then, eto, di ba? Add command tayo. So, for my add command, dahil one lang yung table ko, simpleng query lang siya. So, select I'm going to display all the contents of my employees. Ma'am, sabi nyo kanina, you're only going to display a certain record from the table. Pero bakit you're using select as series? Later, I'm going to filter that later on RVB na. Okay, on yung mismong codes na natin. So, okay. And then there. Next. Display all. Next, and you can, kunwari, change natin. Finish. There. Okay. On my previous topics, yung crystal report ko, I've already discussed how to actually edit this one, yung mismong crystal report nyo. Okay. Wait lang kasi napapatungan siya. Pangit yung may pumapatong. There. Yan. So, in-edit ko lang siya. You can incorporate here, logos, pictures, okay, your headers dyan sa taas. Okay? So, I have there already my crystal report. I have a form. Oops. I have a form there. Okay. So, ang gagawin ko, let's have, for example, I need a form for my crystal report. I'm not going to use Nagdo-double click siya. I'm not going to use yung itong form na to. Okay. So, mag-add ako ng isa pang form. Wait lang. Nagdo-double click siya. So, add ako ng another form. So, let's say, lagyan natin form for my crystal. So, form crystal na lang. Add. There. So, nawawala siya. Nasaan na? Siya pumunta. No. Form? There. Sorry. There. So, nahanap ko form 2. Pinalitan ko pala siya. So, form Chris. So, and then, go to your reporting. Crystal Report Viewer. So, drag nyo lang yung Crystal Report Viewer. And then, for our, dito sa the properties, look for report source. Okay. Look for yung name of the crystal report that you have created. So, employee record. So, ayan siya. Actually, pag clinic ko yung start, syempre, hindi pa ako nag-edit ng properties ko and everything. So, yan pa lang yung lalabas. When I click also, let's say for example, change ko yung startup niya. Sana gumagana siya. Yung startup there. Nari-change ko ng form crystal. Yan yung lumalabas, oh. Lumalabas lahat. Ma'am, sabi nyo filtered. Yes, relax. I'm just showing you na it's working. There. My crystal report is working. So, medyo ayusin ko lang yung layout ng crystal report ko. Ano itsura niya? Baba ko ng konti. There. So, if filter natin siya, to filter that one on my form 1. Okay, so I'm going to use the form 1. What's happening? Okay. So, lagay lang ako ng label. Para naman medyo may dating. So, label. For my label, palitan ko yung text. I'll change the text. Where's the text? Ako ba yung nawawala? Hindi ko siya mahanap. A to Z. There. So, employee number. I'm going to use the employee number na lang. Kasi the employee number here is, pangalan nito, primary key. So, ibig sabihin walang pare-pareho. So, specific. Lilitan ko lang. Then, syempre, bago. I'm going to use a combo box para hindi na kayo mag-type. So, combo box. Okay. And then, a button. Okay. So, hindi ko na i-change yung name ng Omo box ko, pero yung button ko, change ko siya, yung text niya, change ko as view, record, and then btn view. There. So, para when I click this one, lalabas yung record niya. So, change ko yung properties so that it will first display yung form 1. Wala pang nangyayari dyan. Ayan siya. Walang contents. Okay? So, my goal now is for me to display all the employee number here from my table. Rather from my database. Okay? To do that, I'm going to use the execute reader. Okay? So, I'm going to use the execute reader on my form. So, ito siya. So, ilalagay ko siya on my form load. So, gagamit ako ng dim. So, lagay natin dim CNN as new odbc connection, dim cmd as new odbc command, and then we have dim dr as wrong odbc because it's an execute reader, so kailangan ko ng data reader. And then we have combo box, yung name ng combo box ko, 1.items.clear. And then I have, syempre, yung connection. CNN connection string is equals to DSN. My DSN is L123. And CNN dot open CMD equals CNN dot create command. And then I have CMD dot command text is equals to select. Okay. I'm going to display lang yung ano yung i-display ko? I'm going to display ayan, the employee number lang on my combo box. So, lagay natin employee or emp no. Sorry, emp no. Emp no on my from emp. Okay? So, lagay natin dr is equals to cmd dot execute reader, and then while dr dot read. So, combo box 1 dot items dot add, lagay natin dr dot get string index 0. Next, and mag-end na ako, and we have dr.close cnn.close. There. So, testing. Sana gumagana. There. These are all my employee number. Check natin. Check nyo. So, ayan o. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, and 9. So, yun lang yung lumabas na employee number. Let's say, for example, ayoko ng employee number. For example, I want yung employee name. Let's change that to name. Pwede din yun. So, lagyan natin. Ayan siya. There, oh, name. So, you can use, basta ilagay nyo, specify kung what will be displayed. Okay, what field or what row will be displayed on my combo box. Ganun lang yun. Okay? Okay? Hello? Okay na? But, syempre, as you know, yung employee name, we can have actually same employee names or same names, syempre, let's have na lang yung employee number kasi it's a primary key. Ibig sabihin, no duplicates. Okay? So, nagawa ko na yan. Next, I'm going to get yung employee number na napili ko. Okay? Let's say, for example, di ba, on my combo box, yan. Let's say, for example, pinili ko si employee number 8. When I click view record, lalabas yung record niya. So, I'm going to capture yung employee number 8 and then pass it to the second form. So, to do that, syempre, kailangan ko yung, I need to have my codes on my button. So, lagay ko lang, pass ako, form. Ano yung isang form? Form, Chris is equals to, form Chris dot, lagyan lang natin no? Maglalagay tayo sa kabila later. So, they have combo box 1 dot text. Okay? And then, may error. Relax. Form, form, Chris, and then that show dialog there or show. So, lagay natin. And then, syempre, balik ako ng form Chris. Okay? Kasi kailangan kong i-catch kung ano man yung ipapasa niya sa kabila. So, for this one, so I need to catch. So, para i-catch ko siya, I have here, let's say, public emp no as integer. Okay, lagay natin. Kailangan ko siyang kunin muna. Sige. Para makita ko kung gumagana siya, lagay ka muna ako ng message box. And then, lagay ko me dot. Check ko lang kung nakakatch niya. No. There. So, check ko lang. So, ayan siya. Let's say, for example, 9. There. Lumabas siya. And, ma'am, lumabas? Hindi pa. Kasi hindi ko pa finilter. Okay? Wait lang. Next. So, next, lagyan ko ng comment. So, I need to declare an object. Lagay natin yung crystal report natin kanina. So, we have dim. Sabihin na natin may object report. As, remember yung name ng crystal report natin. It's, nakalimutan ko. It's employee record. So, employee record there. So, and then, syempre, open my database. Yung connection, dmcnn as new, odbc.odbc connection, dmcnd as new, odbc.odbc command. And then, we have, syempre, cnn.create, cnn.connection string equals dsn equals L1, 2, 3. And then, cnn dot open. Then we have cmd is equals to cnn dot create command, cmd dot command text. I'm going to display yung lahat ng records of a certain employee. So, select asterisk from emp. For a certain employee, so I'm going to use where emp no is equals to the me dot emp no. Okay? So, ayan siya. And then, I'm going to have for my yung crystal report. So, I have team DA, DA as new odbc.odbc data adapter. Team DS as new, nag-error. Team DS as new data set. Hmm. Okay. So I have there the DA for the data adapter and my data set. So DA dot select command is equals to CMD. DA dot fill is equals to my temporary table. And then you have objrpt dot set data source ds the table, sorry, lagyan natin, forgot, ds dot tables, wrong spelling ba? Tama naman. Okay. And the zero. And then you have crystal report viewer 1 dot report source is equals to objrpt. Oops. Yeah. Crystal report viewer 1 dot refresh. Testing. Start. So, ito siya. For example, employee number 9. Employee number 9 is Maria Bulinao. So, view record. There. That's my crystal report. Maria Bulinao. Next, for example, 3. Crystal report. It's 3 Carlos Dagupan. 3 Carlos Dagupan nga ba? Yeah, there. Gumagana siya. So that's a very brief example of um, using crystal report